Welcome back to my channel, and we'll talk about just a simple a simple simulation example of, like, active power transfer system. Okay, so we have the AC source here, and you have the current source and voltage source controlling there. So the basic block for and to so to show how the power transfer is done using an mutual inductor in Simscape. Okay, not in Simlink. This is done in Simscape. Okay, so these are the Guru tags where we can also connect directly, but I've just given the separate thing. Okay, so yeah, so we have a transformer for the my ideal transformer is used, and also we'll be using this mutual conductor where the power transfer happens. Okay, so from the yeah, mutual conductor, you can see that graph basically for after the power transfer, that is a maximum power transfer. What we do here, this is a very basic simulation circuit where an AC source is connected to, like, generator 1 and 2, and based on that, we are transferring the power. Uh, and Okay, so it's inductance power transfer, kind of, and wireless power transfer, what we do talk about here. Okay, so that's it. This is a very simple basic simulation. Okay, thank you.